Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11 and today I will show you how you can connect AirPods Pro to this device. At first you have to open charging case of the AirPods and then click and hold this button. So let's make it. When this indicator starts blinking, we can release that key, open Bluetooth from the notification bar, tap on the switcher to turn on Bluetooth. When the AirPods Pro pops on the list, we have to tap on them. As you can see, it takes too much time, so it will be probably disabled. So it's very good because I will show you how we can correctly connect them. So don't wait that time, just close the case, then turn off the switcher. Let's try to make it one more time. Click on the Bluetooth, open case. Let's see what is going to happen. Let's try to connect another time. And as you can see right now we are connected. So the thing that you saw before that, I mean the moment ago, it was some kind of the visual bug because we are actually connected, and you know, a few moments ago we missed this pair button, right? We have to click pair when we tap on the AirPods. So let's unpair and let's try to make it another time. Close case, open it, then tap here scan. They are probably not going to show on the list, so we have to use this back button. So click and hold it. Right now release when the indicator is blinking. Click here scan. Tap right now, and as you can see, finally we got the pairing request, so click OK, and right now we are finally connected correctly. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.